Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Assalamu alaikum. Hola and welcome to Bounce Estudiar. We are coming with yet another exciting video about Spanish lesson for beginners, and that is all about ingredientes. Los ingredientes is ingredients, and today we are going to study the main ingredients which we are going to learn, and that is called as ingrediente principales. If you want to prepare a good Latin American or Spanish recipe, you need to know some of the main ingredients there used in Spanish kitchen. You also need to know the vocabulary related to the measurements. So let's begin. As you have already learned that there are masculine and feminine things in Spanish, and we have to use el for male and la for females, and respectively we have to use los for masculine plural and las for feminine plural. So let's have a look. Onion in English is la cebolla. Garlic is al ajo. Tomato is pronounced as el tomate. Pepper is el pimentón. Carrot is la zanahoria. Beans as los frijoles. Rice, mostly used in Pakistan all over the world, al arroz. Corn as al maíz. Flour as la harina. Fruit is la fruta. Vegetable is la verdura. Lettuce, which is salads, is la lechuga. Beans is las arvejas. String bean is la habichuela. Plantain is al platano. Meats, all sort of meats, las carnes. Soup is la sopa, and the most lovely vegetable is potato, la papa, la patata. You can use it according to your desire, according to your use. So let's study once again so that it can be pronounced correctly and remain forever in your brain. So la cebolla, al ajo, al tomate, al pimentón, la zanahoria, los frijoles, al arroz, al maíz, la harina, la fruta, la verdura, la lechuga, las arvejas, la habichula, al plátano, las carnes, la sopa, la papa, la patata. This is end of today's lesson. Inshallah, we're coming up with a new interesting topic. Till then, thank you and Allah Hafiz from my side.